We lost at the moment at our present count 16 people, 16 elderly and young, a child as young as 10 years old, a Holocaust survivor in his 90s, men and women, a very dear friend of mine, Rabbi Eli Schlanger, originally from London, and he left over 5 children at home with a widow, and it's hard to describe.
You knew him personally, Rabbi, did you?
He was a very dear friend of mine.
I'm very sorry.
A selfless, thank you, a selfless human being, someone who made it his mission to be there for others, and that's exactly where his life was taken. He was hunted down, I'm sorry to use those words, but literally hunted down by a father and son who wanted to bring terror to the shores of Australia. And yesterday at Bondi Beach, which is one of the most iconic beaches in our country, one of the most beautiful spots, it has been tainted and darkened forever.
Tragically, a 10-year-old girl by the name of Matilda, and we've even seen a picture of her smiling at this Jewish celebration for Hanukkah. It was an incredible afternoon here, 30 degrees, a wonderful sunset, and her life tragically cut short. We also know that a number of rabbis have lost their life, and even a Holocaust survivor who escaped Ukraine coming to Australia for safety after obviously escaping the Holocaust as well, and tragically, he was also killed. There's more than 40 people that are right now in hospital, and at least 6 are in critical condition, and the prognosis for some of those people, sadly, is not good. So what we're seeing now here in Australia is a call out for blood, because we had multiple gunshot wound victims, long surgery, lots of blood transfusions. There's been an urgent call out overnight your time for blood here in Australia, and what have we done here? We have rolled up our sleeves. I've seen long lines stretching for blocks right around the CBD, people going to hospitals, lining up, rolling up their sleeve, taking time off work, whatever it is, to answer that call for those blood transfusions. And that's just one of the many actions we're seeing from members of the public here to rally around the community, which is hurting.